What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my new S&B cold air intake. This is it right here. I finished the install yesterday. Been driving around for just last night and a little bit today. It was a fairly easy install. You just remove your old air box and put this one in. Comes with everything you need. New clamps, new rubber hoses for going to your engine. Comes with everything. Really nice little system. Completely closed off box. Like I said, this is the S&B. And so far, I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the difference in sound, at least. I haven't really had enough time to drive it around and get used to seeing if there's any power difference, but there is definitely a big sound increase. I'm gonna have a couple clips for you guys just to show you before and after of right here, and then I'm gonna drive around a little bit inside the cabin. That's where I've noticed the biggest difference, especially like low RPMs right when it shifts pretty much. So guys, we're just gonna hop in the truck and show you what this thing sounds like. Hear that rumble? I was barely getting on it. But like I said, I've noticed a big difference inside the cab. When it shifts down and it's like kind of lower RPMs, it really rumbles now. You can hear it just getting more air. And this is just with the cold air intake. Like I said, it's mostly the lower RPMs where I notice it, but it sounds really, really good. Then once you get to like a little bit of a higher speed and you're just cruising, you can't really hear any sound at all. It's only when you're like really giving it gas. Like I was saying before, I haven't driven it around enough yet to see if there's any, or to notice any power increases. And I haven't done any like tests or anything to see. I'm waiting to get my exhaust to do an actual 0 to 60 and then 50 to 80 again. But if I've noticed anything, I could say that it seems a little more responsive and a little more torquey. It could just be in my head, but that's pretty much what it feels like. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Should be a pretty quick video, just showing you the differences with this cooled air intake. Here it is again, the S&B cooled air intake. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to buy the same one. I'm really excited to get my exhaust. Then I'll have the cooled air intake, exhaust, and a tune. So I'm really excited for that. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the exhaust video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a like down below. It really helps me out and helps the video get to a wider audience. Overall, I'm really happy with this cooled air intake and I highly recommend it. It came in at like 330 bucks. If you want your truck to sound like this, then I would buy one for yours. That's all for today, guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.